Okay. שלום שלום לכולם. אני תרגיל עם סרט עכשיו. אתם יודעים מה זה עמודים? posts? Let's see. posts. צעיל דוקרני. Let's get that right. צעיל דוקרני. צעיל, barbed wire. צעיל דוקרני. יש שתיים מילים לאמור את זה. עוד מילה או ביטוי, is that phrase? ביטוי? גדר תעיל, זה easier or קל לזכור, ואם אתם רואים העורבים, ravens, יותר גדול תרנגולות. מה עוד? זה ברוך הבא לשכונה שלי. This is my neighborhood. I just left my house about 5 minutes ago, walking down to get to the downtown. I don't know how long my battery will last, but אתם רואים ערבות מעילת רכבת. כן, זה יש הרבה ביתות or ביתים. I don't even know how to say that. golly. מה עוד? זה oh, here it is. מדרכה, pavement. pavement כאן, יש הרבה Hidran, no. Yeah, man, let's know this stuff. Sedekim, ki yesh harbe pa'ilut seismit. Seismic activity, and it's pa'ilut seismit. I got that wrong maybe, so I'll have to relook at it. Yesh harbe shachunot, neighbors. I don't know if that's right. Neighbors im have it written down. Azim, goats. Ma'az gadi, also goats. Goats, tarnigolot, susim, kevesim, which means sheeps. Devarim kazeh. That's our yard. זה גדולים. אם יצרים גדולים פה. אין הרבה אנשים בעיר שלי. יותר תהיל דוקרני. תהיל דוקרני או גדר תהיל. Barbed wire. A lot of barbed wire there. זה שלט עצור. A sign that says stop. מה עוד? יש משהו מעניין. אני חושב שזה מעניין כי אני לא... let's see. מסילת ברזל. מסילת ברזל אומרים railroad crossing. Let me cross. Railroad crossing. And masila means rail, but this is mislat barzel. Mawad. This is a church. The church, I don't know how to say church. Golly, I know so little Hebrew. I gotta write that down. I mean, I've studied it, heard it, and still don't know. This is church, Jubilee. Masida Mehikani of all Arbe Shemen. Greasy spoon, I like to call them. But lo Arbe Tov, אני לא אוהב שמה. אני לא אוהב שם. ביותר, or favorite of mine, שלי, זה thrift store. אני אוהב thrift stores. אף אחד אף פעם לא יודע מה אתה יכול למצוא. זה מסידה ועוד חנות במסים. How do you say tax service or notary? אני לא יודע. אני צריך ללמוד יותר. ומה עוד? מה עוד is I don't know, parking lot. Oh, look. הם אנשים חסר בית. זה רע מאוד. ויש חנות liquor. Now, liquor, mashka, I think. Let me see. I didn't write it down. But anyway, okay. And this is a Migrash Hania, I guess, parking lot. I don't know. I don't know what it is, how to say it. I made this tape so I can go home and look them up and say it better next time. זה חנות לכלבים וחתולים, Love and Paws, Pet Grooming. אני צריך ליודע אתכם. זה עוד church, community living church, blah, blah, blah. This is an interesting one. Here we have comics. Yeah, comic store. But Hanut Batuach, Farmers Insurance. Wow. And here we have an empty store, I guess. And there we have Brilliant Jiu-Jitsu, Aquamarine Brilliant Jiu-Jitsu. Who knows? I don't know what the heck this is. Headquarters, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Cash King, but empty. Ani Tariq Le Amor Le Yodea Aquamarine, empty. And parking lots. I gotta know these things. I've been studying too long. In the sycamore tree. Say that in Hebrew, 8 sycamore, I guess. So I think that's it for today. Cause Beis Holesh La Hayot, animal store. Okay. Esrahit, I don't know how to say civilians. Esrahit crossing. It's important words. They're important because they're conversations. Everything is important in a conversation. So I have to learn that. Civilian crossing. I know it says in this Esrahit maybe, and few trees. Mawad. And if you look, you guys know what these trees are. Not as healthy looking. That's why people don't like them. They're ugly. Can you see them? They're called Joshua trees. Anyway, I'll do another one later. Bye.